Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. The chicken is amazingly flavorful. Make this for your loved ones and they'll be so happy. Here you go, babe.
Oh, thank you.
We're using a whole lot of chicken drumsticks for this recipe, and we're going to marinate the drumsticks with Jamaican jerk chicken marinade. To make the marinade, grab a blender. Then we're going to peel and cut up one whole onion, then throw it into the blender. Next, we're going to add some peeled garlic cloves. We're also going to cut up some spring onions, then add to the blender. Next, we're going to add some fresh thyme. Cut up one whole jalapeno pepper and add to the blender. Next, we're going to add some freshly juiced limes. We're also adding some fresh parsley, a generous amount of olive oil, some soy sauce, dried rosemary. We're gonna add some allspice. And then in this bowl, we have some ground cumin, ground cinnamon, and ground nutmeg. Add those right in. Add some brown sugar and a generous amount of salt and black pepper. Go ahead and cover your blender, then blend all of those yummy ingredients together. Once blended, go ahead and pour the mixture onto the chicken drumsticks. Then mix everything together. Make sure every single piece of chicken is coated in the marinade. Then we're going to allow the chicken to marinate overnight. That way it can soak in all of those delicious flavors. So tightly cover up your bowl, then place it into the fridge to marinate overnight. The next day, when the chicken drumsticks have finished marinating, throw them onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper, then arrange the chicken into a single layer. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken into the oven to bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, take the chicken out, then flip them. Once flipped, brush the top of each chicken with the marinade that the chicken is sitting in. Then put the chicken back into the oven to bake for another 25 minutes. And here is our delicious Jamaican jerk chicken when it is all done baking. For the last 5 minutes of baking, I put my oven at the broiler setting just to add a little bit of a charred look on the outside, but that's completely optional. You can serve these with all types of sides. I served mine with a side of rice and beans and roasted carrots. The chicken came out so flavorful and delicious. This meal will make everybody happy. Here you go, babe. The chicken came out so flavorful, tender, and juicy. The Jamaican jerk marinade makes the chicken so delicious. There is going to be a lot of marinade left on the baking pan. You can serve that over your chicken. The marinade is so delicious, you could just eat it by itself. If you guys would like to try this Jamaican jerk chicken recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.